Let's make an airsoft grenade. First, you want to get all the free 3D files I linked in the description. We need all of the 3D printed parts, a spring, a paper clip and 2 screws. You can get the spring from an old airsoft gun, or when you play airsoft for the next time, look for a box with old airsoft parts that people sell. You can get one of these used springs for around $1 to $2. The grenade works by trapping this rod at the top of the grenade body. The spring pulls the ball container down, which locks the rod in place. If the grenade is thrown and hits the ground, the rod will go through the hole and eject the BBs. Let's assemble it. First, let's slide the rod into the BB container. Add hot glue so the rod stays in the center. Now we slide the spring over the rod and also hot glue it to the bottom. Next we screw the top part onto the main body. Now we will create a pin to prevent the grenade from blowing up. Now we are ready to put the grenade together. Slide the rod into the body until it comes out on the top. But before you push it all the way through, put some BBs into the container. Press it to the side to lock it in place. Now put the pin in and you are ready to go. What's left now is to throw the grenade and get some kills. See you next time.